it's definitely an honor to be on the show. And being like the longest standing artist on the lineup, it's just, it doesn't feel like it. The show feels like a really next level thing, and yeah, pretty stoked about it.
We think the whole setup is really sick. We've just seen it and we are really excited to be here at YouTube Space.
The first time I got in there, I was like, damn, this is like a living room. I want to be there with other creators, and I felt like home.
And oh, your feet.
This will be the first kind of live, just me at the front performing it rather than behind the decks performing it, is a lot more daunting. I mean, live stuff is always scary, but this kind of live is much more scary because it's not just you're singing it live in front of an audience, it's then going to be on the internet forever.
This is the first time where I would be singing to a track, so it's just kind of a new experience for me.
The rehearsal's been great. I was pretty nervous in the beginning because it's the first time for me like performing in front of a crowd. I'm going to be performing all subs now in two parts. One part is the acoustic part with a MIDI piano keyboard. I'm just going to play the melody and the chords. And the second part is now on the launch pad. Slice up the whole track into 500 pieces. So every time I press a button, it's just a tiny piece. So I have to time it perfectly.
We are going to perform Waiting and Perfect 10 the first time together. So we actually made an extra intro version and an extra transition for all that. So we're gonna have the live piano on it and the launch pad. I don't think we expect it to be our first show live stream. I think we're gonna keep our minds clear. At least we try to, and just concentrate on what we love doing the most, and that's music.
First release on NCS, never have I felt this. The response has been incredible, the feedback is just great. It's really nice to be on a new label, and it just felt like it was a good fit. This track for us is, I don't think it's like anything that we've previously released, so it's always good to put out something that's quite different, but I think Coven, generally, we've always been very lucky to cross over genres and just change what we're putting out, and the responses are always really, really nice. So for us, it's good to know that we can carry on that way.
When I songwrite, I just write about things that are going on in my life currently. For the subtact song, Want You, I met my boyfriend like 2 days prior to that, wrote a song about it. This Lost Guy Dreams is, I wrote about my dad. He recently passed away from cancer. The track just felt like it should be about that. It was a really emotional track and a really big track, and I had to give my dad some of the spotlight.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance that I know.
Perfect 10, I honestly wrote that in about 10 minutes because when I'm on a roll, I kind of just keep writing. But yeah, the song is really just about embracing imperfections, and because of your imperfections, that makes up who you are. And I wanted to kind of make self-confidence anthem to not only help myself, but help anybody who wants to listen to a song that has lyrics that really mean something. So I've had a few fans message me on Instagram, basically just saying, I love this song, it really helped me through, I was having a bad day, or it helped me through some difficult times. And it's surreal to me how just, again, like me writing lyrics can actually mentally help someone. And if I can keep doing that for as long as I can, that is ideal.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
What's next with me and NCS? I hope to continue the great work relationship that we have. It's been 4 years now.